Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Adventures of Bong Solo. To my subscribers, many thanks. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe. Have you ever wondered or wished to record videos using your iPhone's front and rear cameras simultaneously? Like this?
Okay folks, we are here at Macritchie.
And if your answer is yes, this video is for you. Today's episode is about shooting videos on iPhone's 2 of its 4 cameras simultaneously. I tested this functionality while in Pulau Ubin. Please stay tuned until the end and I'm happy to share how it's done.
So this is the boat. Alright, we're now going to Pulau Ubin. Alright folks, this is Pulau Ubin.
We're going to start our cycling adventure here at Pulau Ubin. Bengley and Francis are already there. After hard work, we have our lunch. Mine is for fun, so we're just having fun. That's why it's called for fun. We're going to check Jawa wetlands. That way. We are here at, I believe this is wetlands in Pulau Ubin, where you can see mangroves. So the swamp is actually everywhere, and they have this nice shelter here in case it rains. There is also a fire extinguisher. How cool is that? Alright folks, we are leaving Pulau Ubin. Our journey to this rustic island is done. Cycling and trekking. The preceding videos are the result of an app taking advantage of my iPhone 11 Pro Max multiple cameras by having the capability of shooting 2 footages at the same time using 2 of my iPhone's 4 cameras. So where can this be applied? To save time, record yourself and your subject simultaneously using picture-in-picture or PIP mode. This produces one video presented as one main and one overlay video. If you want an interview mode, you can use split screen. Interviewer and interviewee are equally presented side by side. This produces one video only. But if you want more control, use discrete because this produces 2 separate videos. You can put them together, overlay them, or not. Once DoubleTake is downloaded from the App Store, run it. You will land on the app's main page where there are 4 icons on each corner of the screen. Bottom right is the record button, upper right is the shooting mode, bottom left is the viewfinder, lastly, upper left is the storage. Now let's check the shooting mode. First mode I'd like to share is the PIP or picture in picture. It has one big screen and a smaller overlay screen presented and saved as one video. This saves you time shooting two subjects and presenting it as one footage. Second is the split screen. Like PIP, it's saved as one video, but the videos from dual cameras are presented side by side. Useful in interview setting. Lastly, discrete mode. This is what I normally use because I have the capability to control the resulting videos since they are saved as two separate footages. I can choose to put them together, overlay them, or not. Let's move to the viewfinder. Here you are presented with the cameras of your device. In my case, iPhone 11 Pro Max has four, namely ultra-wide, wide, tele, which are the three rear cameras. And lastly, selfie, the front camera. Choose your dual cameras, A being the primary, B being the secondary. You can mix and match as well. My combination that I normally use is ultra-wide as A and selfie as B. Here you can also choose the frames per second. I use 30. Once decided, tap confirm. Lastly, the storage on the upper left corner. Here you will see the footages. Samples I have are discrete. As you can see, there are two files saved. Now let's try shooting PIP and split. PIP and split only has one file saved each. Alright, next to do is manage your videos. Select files by tapping the file selector icon at the bottom left. Then choose the files one by one. Files is selected if there's green bar on each side. And if you prefer, you can also select all, just tap and hold the icon. Once files are selected, you can choose to save to your photo library, share to your social media accounts, or delete. That's basically it. Alright folks, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, again, please like, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon, then choose all so you are notified for the upcoming videos. Okay, until then, stay safe, stay healthy. This is Bong Solo. Thanks for watching.